Hi friends, it's Jeannie Rainey here, and I just wanted to show you how I more than doubled this paper pumpkin kit. The first thing I usually do is cut the bases in half, and these backgrounds are so beautiful. For this particular one, I wanted to show more of the colors, so I cut a portion of this layer into two, and so that doubled that particular card. This one, I was able to use some of the other elements and come up with another card, as well as this one. I also used the envelopes. I cut them down and used them in my cards as well. So let me show you the cards I came up with. These are all the ones that were originally designed in the paper pumpkin kit, which I was able to make all 9 of those. Then, using the other elements, I took the ovals and I made this card using this background. And this is the card that I came up with using the ovals. Now, I also brought in an embossing folder and embossed the vellum piece, which I thought brought in to the design, the leaves coordinated very well. Now this one is kind of obvious. You can use the elements, opposite pieces to do the backwards look. Then I had brought in a punch, an oval punch that coordinated well. So this is the second design I came up with for this one. And then this one, I brought in another stamp set and embossing folder from the Sunrise Sailing, because it just, the colors just reminded me of water and sailing. So that's the card that I came up with for that extra piece. And then I needed a background. I ran out of my pieces, so I went to my designer series papers and pulled out this one, which is called Nature Walk. It's got some really, really beautiful blues and greens, which coordinated so well with this set. So I just cut one of the pieces down to a 4 by 5 and a quarter. And then also using this embossing folder on it to bring it into the design similar to what was designed before. So as you can see, I used the extra piece of this to just create a whole nother card. Plus this one shows a lot more of the colors, which I liked a little better. So let me show you how I did the background. Before I do that, I want to show you this paper. So it's a reversible paper, but this is the side I'm using because it has a variety of different blues in it that's just gorgeous. This Paradise Garden Hybrid embossing folder is one of the March online exclusive items. So if you like it, go online and find it. The online exclusives are while supplies last, so you got to get them while you see them there. So this gave some beautiful texture. And with the Misty Moonlight stamp pad, I'm going to gently pull it across the embossed paper, and it just makes those leaves pop out. And I use the same technique here. So this makes a beautiful background. Look at those variety of different blue colors. I use that same technique with this card. So I embossed it and then just lightly pulled the stamp pad over the embossed area. Makes for a beautiful card. So I hope you enjoyed these little tips on how to expand your paper pumpkin kits, and thank you for watching.